Hey you guys, it's Mindy. I feel like it is Christmas today. Seriously. I had unboxed a couple of things and one was a complete surprise. I had no idea it was coming. And then I hear the UPS truck and I was like, wait a minute, UPS truck? I'm not getting anything. And then I saw what this was. So here's the deal. As a teacher for years and years now, I have done Scholastic book orders, right? And you get points. And for years, I would just spend the points on more books. But it got to the point where I had so many books, you guys, that I just couldn't get any more books for the classroom. So I just let them accumulate over the last couple of years. And now that I'm retiring, it's time to use my points. This is going to help me with my diamond painting. Wow, I got pieces and parts going everywhere. So, it's a frame. Okay, here's a frame. This is something that's going to help me with a project that you've already heard about. You've heard about what I need to do. I'm going to move you back a little. I need to organize. I need to organize diamond paintings and diamond painting supplies. So I used a lot of my points that I had saved up to get this. There's some other things in here too that I might show you and I might not, but I'm just feeling like it is my lucky day today. It is my lucky day. Okay, here they come. All right. So that's the frame. And here's baskets. It's this drawer system. I think it has 5 drawers. I think there should be a couple more. Hang on, let's zoom you out a little because you're really close. All right, there you go. There's some drawers. Okay, oh, I'm wrong. Apparently there's 6 drawers because here comes some more. Here's 3 more drawers. Yeah, it is time for me to get my act together and clean up that room and make some sense of all the diamond painting stuff that's in there. All right, wow. Oh, man, did you hear that? Oh, I'm just too excited. They didn't even tell me this had shipped. I think this is the top. I'm not certain, but I think it's the top. We'll find out when we put it all together. So my husband's going to have a little project when he gets home. I'm not putting that together, you know? All right. Is there anything else? There's other stuff I ordered. What in the world? This is just this. So that must mean that more of my order is still coming at some point. There's a couple more things I ordered. Yeah, they're not in here. So this is just this. This came all by itself. That's cool. That's cool. We can handle that, right? That's no problem. But look at, it's going to be this whole like 6-drawer stand, right? With all these drawers, and I can finally like start putting some stuff away. I have one little set that is downstairs already, and I filled that up. It has like 4 little basket kind of things. Filled that up. So not with diamond painting stuff, but just with supplies. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited this is here. Yeah, I'm going to let my husband put this together later. We got a little package with some wheels, and I'm being noisy today. Wheels and bolts and all kinds of good stuff. Yeah, we'll just leave this right here. He'll come home. Maybe I better have dinner made when he gets here. What do you think? Anyhow, I just can't believe it's here. They didn't even tell me it was coming. I paid $5. I had to pay $5 shipping. Yeah, and there are other things coming besides this. This just came by itself, so I'm excited it's here. Yeah. So it's time for me to start organizing. It is time. If I can stop, being on Zoom classes and checking emails and doing records and all that other stuff, my job, I might have time to do this kind of stuff. Oh boy. Anyhow, all right, you'll see this after I tell you what it's for. I don't want to spoil the surprise, right? Okay. Thanks for watching, you guys. It's just a quick little video. I'll show it to you when it's all set up, as I start to organize, because we're going to get that mess organized. It's going to be organized. And I'll show you what I've got as I'm organizing. All right. Thanks for watching. Check out memberships and subscribe if you want to see more stuff. If you like what you see here, there's craziness sometimes, just craziness. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, be notified, all that good stuff. And I'm going to go start dinner so that my husband's in a really good mood when he walks in the door. All right, I'll talk to you later.